Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Lightshyer Halloween decorations. There are features include eye-catching lighting effects. You'll get a set of 4 Halloween light-up hanging ghosts, featuring bright LED lights with multiple lighting modes and vivid colors. These decorations create a mysterious, mesmerizing glow that enhances nighttime Halloween ambience. Versatile 3 lighting modes. Featuring bendable high-brightness LED lights with 3 adjustable flash settings, fast flash, slow flash, or steady glow. Easily controlled via a black switch on the power box, making your decorations stand out and become the most eye-catching in your neighborhood during Halloween. Flexible and customizable designs. The arms of the hanging ghosts are adjustable, so you can set them in any creepy pose you like. Position them facing forward to make it look like it's flying straight at your guests, or spread them out to give the illusion of floating in mid-air, instantly enhancing the spooky vibe. Easy setup and durable materials. Designed for quick installation, no complicated assembly required, and made from weather-resistant, high-quality fabrics and plastics built to withstand outdoor elements year after year. Perfect for any occasion and location. Our Halloween ghost decorations ideal for decorating yards, porches, trees, gardens, or party venues. These decorations create an immersive Halloween atmosphere whether indoors or out. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.